What's happening when I experience synchronicities? What's the meaning of seeing a sequence of numbers like 111 or 333 or 567 or 123? When you begin to notice these numbers or even certain animals like a particular bird or a type of snake on a consistent basis, they can have meaning for you. You see them on different days, but they can have a significance that's connected. I had explained this concept on time in my video on déjà vu, but I'll do it here as well. The concept of time being an illusion is foundational. When I say something about reality is an illusion, that doesn't mean that the experience isn't real. From the ancient Kemetic perspective, what illusion means is that you have power over that experience by understanding and using the higher laws of the universe. So illusion means as a god or goddess in training, you have power over the experience on this earth plane. You just have to learn the ancient universal laws and how to access them. That takes learning skills and practicing them in your everyday life until you can master them. A master of these skills, the ancient Kemetians gave the title of Lord. You've heard the term Christ is Lord. It means that as a Christ, you'll have mastered the application of certain universal laws. But that's a little educational sidebar. Let's get back to time and synchronicity. Because of how the physical brain and mind work, we can only experience time in a linear fashion while we're awake. Meaning, we experience time moving forward, minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day, and so on. But linear time is an illusion within our physical experience here on Earth. Remember how I defined illusion in the beginning of the video. The past and future only exist as another vantage point of the present. In other words, past, present, and future exist simultaneously as an infinite number of possibilities. Time is simply a marker for any event or experience. However, it is an illusion. Again, remember the definition of illusion. That doesn't mean the experience is not real. Again, illusion simply means you can gain power over the experience when you know how to access the universal laws. We can think of these events will manifest in our life as a series of markers or a timeline that's bound associatively by frequency. You experience the true nature of time when you're having fun or when you're bored. When you're having fun, within you, it's timeless, but the time on your watch seems to be speeding by. Hence, time flies when you're having fun. But when you're bored, the clock seems to drag. It's because within you, time is actually moving faster than on Earth. Time is completely subjective to the soul. Now, I just gave you an abbreviated explanation of Einstein's theory of relativity. The ancients were aware of these ideas thousands of years ago. It's why people who live through their joys don't age as fast as people who are always stressed. Now, don't take this as a racial thing because it's not necessarily tied to race. You should endeavor to follow your joy each and every day. So, what does this have to do with synchronicity? Synchronicity is recognizing events and experiences that are associated by vibration and frequency within linear time. There's usually something symbolic that ties the events and experiences together, like 111, 222, 444, 12345, or an animal like a bird or a snake. It can be any number of symbols that will be unique to your awareness. When synchronicity occurs, it can be a very powerful confirmation and guidance for you. Now here's how to apply this new knowledge of synchronicities. When you recognize the symbol, pay attention to what you're thinking about before you saw the symbol and what you were feeling. This is why it can be such a powerful tool for guidance. That's why tools of divination can be so powerful and useful. They connect your experiences via your frequencies. The symbols are associated or connected to a particular frequency or what you're feeling that has followed a thought or a belief in that moment. When you notice the sign or symbol, immediately recognize what you're thinking and feeling, and the symbol connects you to a particular frequency. In other words, you might see 111 3 days apart in linear time. But those moments are now associated with a particular vibration that you're on at that moment, or the similar frequency you were on 3 days ago through the symbol or sign. They become associated with each other and connected via your inner senses. This is how a tarot card reading can be so accurate. The cards become symbols expressing a vibrational pattern that you're on. The cards don't come up by chance or accident. They're associated with your frequencies and vibrational patterns. Synchronicities are a way you can recognize events within linear time that are actually associated outside of time via vibration and frequency. That's why paying attention to them can be a tool for guidance for you as a god or goddess in training. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.